This is AutoSurface, the automated path generation tool in the Augmentus software. In this walkthrough, we'll build a complete robot toolpath across 3 kinds of surface: simple, multiplanar, and curved. AutoSurface works in 4 steps. First, select the area on the part you want to cover. Second, choose a selection profile to match the geometry. Simple for flat surfaces, multiplanar for multi-faced parts, and curved for pipes, tubes, and troughs. Third, set the waypoint parameters, the spacing, density, and path options. And fourth, generate the path. Let's walk through each one, starting on the flat top face of a valve. Open Add function and select AutoSurface. In the Select Area menu, click Auto to pick the surface, then Confirm Selection. In the Setup tab, open the selection profile and pick Simple for straight, evenly spaced passes on a flat surface. The path orientation dial then sets which way those passes run. The Waypoint tab controls how dense the path is. Step distance sets the spacing between passes, and waypoint distance sets how closely the points sit along each one. In the Offset tab, Tool Standoff sets the working distance from the part. For a thermal spray application like this, it needs enough clearance for the coating to atomize and lay down evenly across the face. And in the Advanced tab, Enable Hole Avoidance routes the path around any holes in the surface. Then hit Generate Waypoints, and the finished path is written straight into your program, with no separate preview step needed. With the path generated, the robot runs it across the valve's top face, laying down an even thermal spray coat at the standoff and speed you set. But simple isn't the best fit for every surface. On the curved side of the valve, its flat, parallel passes spread apart and leave gaps in the coverage. Switching the selection profile to multiplanar fixes that. The path follows the curvature, wrapping the waypoints around the surface for even, complete coverage. Preview and generate as before. In simulation, the robot follows the wrapped path all the way around the curved side, laying down an even thermal spray coat across the entire surface. The curved profile is for surfaces that wrap around a cross-section: pipes, tubes, troughs, and broad curved shells. It lays clean, continuous passes around the full profile. On a cylinder like this drum, choose the curved profile and the axis selector appears. It sets the direction the algorithm slices the surface. On the x-axis, the passes run straight along the drum. Switch to Z and they wrap around it instead. Pick the axis that follows the length of your pipe, tube, or channel. That's the whole setup. Everything else works just like the simple profile walkthrough. Generate the path. And the curved profile handles broad curved shells too. Here it is in simulation, sweeping the full curve of the part and holding the tool to the surface from edge to edge. And that's AutoSurface. Select an area, pick the profile that matches your surface, and generate a production-ready toolpath in seconds on simple, multiplanar, and curved parts alike.